In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a store on Prestashop in just a few minutes. If you're looking to set up an online store quickly and efficiently, you're in the right place. So let's dive in and explore this process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to your search engine and look up Prestashop. Once you find the link that says Prestashop, create an online shop easily, e-commerce, go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to their homepage where you'll see a prominent button labeled Get Started. Clicking this button is your gateway to kickstarting your store setup journey. Now, on the following page, click on Show Offers to explore the different Prestashop plans available to you. You have three main options: Classic, Hosted, and Enterprise. Take a moment to consider which option best suits your business needs. If you opt for the Classic plan, you'll find a button that says Download, which will initiate the installation of Prestashop on your computer. Once downloaded, Prestashop provides a straightforward step-by-step process to guide you through the setup on your local machine. This option is great for those who prefer hands-on tech solutions and have a bit of technical know-how. For those leaning towards the hosted plan, click Start Free Trial to begin. This plan allows you to experience Prestashop's features without committing right away. Once the trial begins, you'll be prompted to create a Prestashop account. You have the option to either sign up with your email address or connect via your Google account. Just click on Create an account with Google for a quick setup. Prestashop will then take you through the necessary steps to get your store operational online. Finally, we have the Enterprise option, which is tailored towards larger businesses with complex requirements. This option offers a more robust, scalable platform packed with enhanced security, customization features, and high-performance hosting. It builds upon the Classic plan, ensuring that larger or more demanding e-commerce operations have all the support they need. Once you've chosen and set up your Prestashop store with any of these options, you can access the back-end office of your store. This is where the real customization begins. Take some time to explore, tweak, and configure the settings, layouts, and features that will showcase your brand and products in the best light. Utilize the wide range of tools and modules available to truly make your store unique. And there you have it, a brief but thorough walkthrough to getting your online store up and running on Prestashop. Remember, the goal is to create a shopping experience your customers will love, so take advantage of all the customization features Prestashop has to offer. Thanks for watching, and I wish you success in your e-commerce endeavors.